Sometimes we get random companies that they reach out to us by email and they ask us if we want to use their products or review their products or have their products in our truck. Sometimes we have random products, sometimes we have weird products. Like I have some friends that have some weird requests. In my case, I try to focus on the overland community, or I try to focus on anything related with our truck that we can use it, because our main actor on our channel, we can say actor, or our main character, or the focus on our channel, it is the truck. This is the one, our unboxing knife. Our unboxing knife, it is from Herbert. I love it. It is a pocket side knife. Bing. It's awesome. This is the one we use for unboxing videos, you know. Yeah, my name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4. Welcome back to the channel. I was out for a while doing expos and traveling and doing camping, and we are back here. Let me show you a new product that we got. It is a dryer machine. It's a dryer machine for our truck. We always have questions about, do you have a water heater in your truck? Do you have AC on your truck? But what about if we have a dryer machine on your truck? Let me take it out, and that way we can start taking a look of this baby here. The first impression, it is not heavy. It's very lightweight. Okay. Why you get a washer machine, a dryer machine? Well, let me show you here. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing else on the box. Coming like a regular appliance, well protected for shipping purposes. If you would like to know how it's coming, it comes in different colors. I picked the silver gray. And they also come in white. Boom. Let me put this camera here. I laugh because we always get random stuff in our product. People say, you have an RV, why you don't get a trailer, why you don't get an RV, why you don't take your house with you when you go camping? Well, at some point we are not going just camping, we are more enjoying the time when we go out there. We already have a lot of power with our Expion batteries and the radar system and everything. Now we are looking for more stuff that we can take to our trips that we would like to have. The other day I was in a camping and it started raining. Thank God we are gonna stay that night on the camping. We just hang everything outside the truck, the clothes for dry, and then next day we hit the road. But what happens if you get all wet and you have to hit the road that time? And sometimes you can throw the clothes inside the truck and that's it. But what about if you have a dryer machine in the back of the truck that you can dry your clothes? For that I read on the reviews and everything and the information on the website, you take like a 10 minutes to dry your clothes. That way you have like a 10 minutes. Let me see how this one open here, because I'm new. Sometimes I don't like unboxing videos because I would like to know more about the product before show to my audience. But some people, they like to see at the same time when I'm opening the product and see my reaction or your reaction, and we both can open this. We can notice here there is a turn on power here. It is pretty decent size. I was expecting a smaller size, but let me just finish my story that I was telling you about. Well, what happens if you have to hit the road and your clothes are wet and everything? Now you just put it here, dry it, put it back. You can use this one for a trailer, you can use this one for an RV, you can use this one for an overland vehicle. Like I say, this one in our channel, we main focus on show products that you can use in different scenarios, in different setup. That's why you probably say, oh, but I have a Jeep and it's too small, that one for my it's too big that for my small truck, or they're gonna take so much space. Well, it depends your rig and depend the accessories that you would like to get, all the accessories you would like to take with you when you go camping. What about if you're going to, we have a big trip coming in 3 weeks. We're going to the Florida Keys, and we're gonna be there. We're gonna be using our towel. What about if you're gonna use your towel every single day? You need to dry that towel. You need to, you cannot have time to be hanging that towel because you're gonna be going around. Well, we have a dryer machine. Okay, this one here, let's jump about the specification of the dryer machine for my understand. This one here is gonna be like this. If we would like to put shoes here, or if we're not gonna have shoes, we can just throw the clothes here. It comes with a very friendly instruction manual. It is a clothes dryer instructions is right here. They show you if you cannot be like close to the back of the wall, all the information about where the air is coming out from the back. They told you all the information about how to operate it. Let's go to the show time, because this dryer is gonna be using on my truck. I'm gonna be using my truck to power the machine. That way I'm not using the house. We have here the rear system. We are gonna turn on my inverter here. It's 2000 watts inverter. Come on. Okay, we're good to go. Inverter is on. I don't know if you see in other videos, but we have XP batteries here to power the truck. A lot of power here on the truck. We have everything is good to go. Let's go back here. This is the wire all the way here. We have it right here. Let me put the camera back here. I'm not doing any cuts on the video. That way you guys, they're gonna think that I'm cheating using the power from my house to turn on this machine. Okay, now we have the wire here. It's not a long cord. You probably will need an extension cord, but if you have all the setup in the back of your truck, you can just connect it there. You hear that noise? That means it is on. Let me turn it on. Cool. Let me show you this. We have, I don't know if you can see it there, because yeah, it's touch. Smart, ultra fast, lightweight, baby care, silk, UV, shoes, time setting, temperature. That's nice, man. 130-minute temperature. Let's say smart. Yeah, we have a dryer machine in the truck. It's here. It's taking some power here. We have the solar kicking there. This one is powering the machine all the way here. Woohoo! Yep. We have a dryer machine on the truck. That's cool, man. Let me pause here. You can schedule that. Those all options are when you have like the machine in the trailer, or you have it in your RV. Like I say, you can use this machine for any other. Let me pause it here. No, they don't have brackets to mount the machine, but you can set up in your cabinet if you have an RV. It's pretty decent design. Let me find something. I bet that you can put a lot of shirts or a towel and everything, but I'm gonna show you with one of my hats. You can put one. You can put more hats there if you want it. You're gonna pause here, and I hit choose.
2 hours later.
The fill hat, I already turned it off. Remove this one from here. I touched the hat. It feel hot. It was only 30 seconds. It was warm, not hot. But I think I'm gonna be testing on another video or in my social media when we're using it, throwing some wet clothes. Probably you have to squeeze those clothes and try to rinse it as much as possible to use it. We'll see. It's like a, you know, it's a regular dryer machine. I like the size. It's gonna be in one of the corners of the truck. Probably in that corner we can have that one. It's you know, it's decent. I like it. Like can I say, guys? We sometimes we have random stuff, you know, that we review on the channel. Like this e-bike here is completely battery power e-bike from Land Bikes. We have a lot of stuff. We have a random stuff that we review in our channel, and the company sent for review in our adventures. My name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4. We are gonna be doing more videos showing all the random accessories that we get, and we always show that in our other social media channels, but now we're gonna be here more on the YouTube. If you like the channel, feel free to subscribe. I know this was just a quick and random video showing a dryer machine, but we have a lot of accessories that we are gonna be starting to review. If you like Chevy trucks, we have a 2025 Chevy Silverado. This is a 2500 HD. This one is a trail bus, have the new front end design, and we have the truck fully loaded and ready for camping and overland situation. We have the new arcane water cases, goose gear, ice cold, XPON batteries, radar. We have a lot of accessories here. We have the new skeleton from Extrusion Overland, the new deck system. We got a big overland community that support our videos, and we got a lot of products that I would like to show you guys. What is my idea on this? I'm trying this product and I can give you my honest review, and if you would like to purchase the product also, I can provide you discount codes that the companies provide to us to share with you guys to use in if not a holiday that you can get a discount code, we can provide you that. We have giraffe tool accessories, the new Devo slide. Like I say, I have a lot of stuff. I'm being lacking on my videos. I'm back. I'm gonna be doing more videos. Stay tuned on the channel. My name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4. Thank you guys for support the channel. See you in our next video.